Kixie is a powerful sales engagement platform, but before you decide to jump in and buy, there are 7 essential things you need to know. These insights will help you understand how Kixie compares to other tools on the market and whether it's the right fit for your business. First off, Kixie specializes in automating sales calls and offers features that help you boost team productivity and close rates. It's a great solution if you're looking to streamline communication between your sales reps and prospects, offering features like click-to-call, SMS messaging, and automated call tracking. But what sets Kixie apart is its seamless integration with CRM systems like Salesforce and HubSpot, something that competitors like RingCentral or Aircall don't do as effectively. If you're already using one of those CRMs, this can be a huge time saver as everything syncs up automatically. Next thing you should know about Kixie is its focus on sales performance tracking. With its real-time analytics, you can track every call your team makes, measure the success of different strategies, and even monitor how your reps are performing. This level of visibility into your sales process isn't something every competitor offers, making Kixie a strong contender for businesses that need detailed insights to drive their sales decisions. Whether you're managing a small team or a large sales force, having this level of data at your fingertips is invaluable. The third thing is Kixie's ease of use. Unlike other systems that may require a steep learning curve, Kixie's interface is user-friendly, which is a big plus for teams that need to get up and running quickly. Its cloud-based setup means you don't need any technical expertise to integrate it into your current workflow, and you can easily scale as your team grows. Many competitors require more complex setups or don't offer the same level of simplicity, which makes Kixie a more attractive option for smaller businesses or those without dedicated IT teams. Next up, Kixie's customer support is top-notch. The support team is highly responsive and can help with any issues or questions that arise. Whether it's onboarding, troubleshooting, or just maximizing the platform's features, you'll find that Kixie's customer support team goes above and beyond. This is a huge advantage over other platforms like Aircall or Freshcaller, where users have complained about slower response times or inadequate support. The fifth thing to consider is Kixie's affordability. Pricing can often be a sticking point when it comes to sales software, but Kixie offers competitive pricing, especially considering the value it provides. While tools like RingCentral may offer cheaper base packages, they often lack the advanced features or integrations that Kixie offers, meaning you're not always getting the best deal. With Kixie, you're getting a full suite of features without breaking the bank, especially when compared to other premium platforms on the market. Now, let's talk about its power dialing feature. If you're looking for a way to increase the number of calls your sales team makes, Kixie's Power Dialer is a game changer. It automates the dialing process, allowing your team to spend more time talking to prospects and less time dialing numbers manually. This feature helps improve productivity and boosts your sales team's efficiency, something that sets Kixie apart from competitors that don't offer an equally smooth dialing experience. The seventh thing to consider is Kixie's integrations. It connects with a wide range of tools, from CRMs to email platforms, making it easy to add into your existing stack. This flexibility makes it a great choice for businesses that rely on multiple software tools to manage different aspects of their operations. Unlike other platforms that might limit the number of integrations available, Kixie gives you the flexibility to use what works best for your business. If you're looking for an all-in-one sales engagement tool that offers seamless CRM integration, robust performance tracking, and a user-friendly experience, Kixie stands out as a top choice. Remember, you can try Kixie for free by clicking the first link in the description. Don't miss out on the best trial experience available, plus some exclusive benefits only available through that link.